Stop by and take a look at the 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.